In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Finals account to Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, or Twitch. If you've been playing the Finals and want your progress to follow you across PC, console, or even when you are streaming and using Twitch drops, the key is linking everything through your Embark account. We'll walk through it step by step, so you can connect additional platforms safely without losing progress. First, open a web browser and go to id.embark.games. This is the official Embark account portal used by the Finals. Make sure you are on a stable connection and if you use an ad blocker or strict privacy extensions. Consider allowing this site so the login pop-ups work correctly. Next, sign in using the platform that currently holds your game progress. That part is important. If your main profile is on Steam, choose Steam. If you primarily play on Xbox or on PlayStation, pick that one. Signing in with the platform that has your unlocks, purchases, and stats ensures that becomes your core Embark account. Before you continue, double-check you are logged into the correct console or PC profile in your browser to avoid linking the wrong account. After you are signed in, look to the top right corner of the page. Click your account name to open the menu, then select Settings and choose Connected Platforms. This page shows what's already linked and what's available to add. Now, find the icon for the platform you want to add: PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, or Twitch, and click the link button underneath it. You can link more than one platform, just handle them one at a time. Starting with the most important. When prompted, authenticate on the new platform and authorize the connection. This usually opens a secure login window where you enter your credentials and confirm that Embark can connect to your account. Some services may ask for two-factor codes, so keep your phone or authenticator ready. Don't close the windows until you see a success message or the button changes to linked. That's it. Thanks for watching.